People, I don't know why people be telling me, Brittany, we should go do this. Oh, Brittany, we should go cliff diving. Oh, Brittany, we should go get drunk. Oh, Brittany, we should, well, I'm kind of here for that. But, Brittany, we need to be flip-flopping, doing too much. Doing too much. If it don't involve the couch and it don't involve me taking a nap, people are trying to do too much. And that's when you just have to say, oh, I've been there. Hey! Welcome back to another episode of Sold Out Seattle. Yeah, girl, I'm back. I'm in it. You know what? I've been doing videos like I just miss every third Friday, you know. I just cannot get my life together and I cannot film. But anyways, I had a good excuse this time. That's because I got a new camera and then my tripod I didn't even hear. But you know what? I was like, I need to put this video up before people think I'm slacking, because I'm not slacking. It's just I ain't got my life together. Today, y'all. Today we are going to talk about slang, okay? Because I feel like sometimes I be communicating and don't nobody understand me. I be communicating and don't nobody understand me. They be acting like I'm speaking Vulcan or something, and it ain't even like that. It ain't even like that. So today I'm gonna teach y'all a little bit of slang that I use for my day-to-day life. So now y'all can be just like me when you speak. I don't know if you want that, but that's what's gonna happen. A slang word that I commonly say. You will see me type it, you will see me tweet it, you will see me text it, because it is the pinnacle of all words. Anytime you need to compliment somebody, you only got to say one thing. And this is that one thing. You just say, yes, like Y-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-S, exclamation point. It's just like, you know when somebody's doing something real good, they looking real good, just all the whole combination. The whole combination, like they outfit, they hair, they skin, I don't know, they booty cheeks, I don't know. It doesn't matter because it's an all over sort of deal. If you just see somebody, they are looking on point. They're at the pinnacle of freshness. You just have to say, yes, girl, yes, honey, yes. And that's all you need to say. Well, it's probably not slang. It's just like, these are all like just Brittany colloquialisms, okay? To be perfectly honest, they're Brittany colloquialisms. But I say, girl, I better not. I better not. All right. So it's not better. I better not. I'm not going to do that. You know, because sometimes you got to pepper your speech just a little bit. So you got to just pepper it just a little bit. And you got to say, I better not. You better not, or better not, something like that. Okay. And that's just a way just to tell people, like, you ain't going to catch me doing this. Or I'm not going to do this. Or if somebody tries it. Okay, so that's another slang word. That's another thing I also say, bitch, you tried it. I'm trying to explain this, y'all. Oh, my arm is hurting. This is a bad idea. See, this is why I need the tripod. Amazon, you messing up. I'm waiting for my tripod and it still ain't here. Anyways, so when you say, bitch, you tried it, it's just like they tried to one-up you, but then they failed. Like they were like, oh, Brittany, I caught you slipping. Like, no, you didn't, because I wasn't even over there, all right? I don't know a lot of things, all right? I know I went to college, and I know I'm in grad school, but I do not know a lot of things. Like don't let this fool you. Sometimes I don't be knowing things like that, all right? You just have to know whatever subject matter it is, and you say, girl, that's that blank, okay? And it's actually pretty funny, but it also covers the fact that you're dumb as hell. So you just say, girl, that's that science. Girl, that's that geography. Girl, that's that math. When I tell you I use that all the time, and it just, you know, it's fine. It's fine. And then everybody's like, oh yeah, okay, girl, I know what you mean. They're like, Brittany, you don't know where such and such is on the map. And I'm like, girl, that's that geography. You know I don't know that geography. And it's cool. And it's just like, it just covers it up. It just, you know, you just slide on by and you don't really have to know things. Okay, that's my little secret. They don't have to question whether or not you have an IQ that's in the double digits, and it's fine, all right? I also say, I am not here for this, or I'm here for this, slashes, whichever one. If you're really into something, you say, yes, I am here for this. I am here. That means you really like it. Okay, that's just basic explanation. It means you really, really like it. I am here for it. All right. When you see Beyonce on stage, I am here for it. But when your teacher put out that pop quiz though in math, you be like, okay, I'm not here for this. I'm not at all here for this. I mean, it can mean that you're physically present, yes, but it means you're just not happy with the idea of what's currently about to happen. So you just say, I am not here for this. When all your friends are drunk and you're the only sober one, I am not here for this. So to go along with all these phrases, you got to do your hand like this. At least a couple times. Just swish it around. Because number one, you have to show them that your nails are on point or whatever, on fleek, as the children are saying nowadays. I be trying not to say that, but whatever. You got to use a lot of hand gestures. That's what sassy people do. Sassy people use a lot of hand gestures, a lot of eye rolls. It's just like extra festive. Extra festive. Use it this holiday season as your cousin comes in here flaunting in this little sequin New Year's Eve dress, whatever. You just say, yes, honey, yes, you better work. You gotta do it with the hard snap, like this. Hard snap. All right? And those are, okay, y'all, I really feel like those are all my daily colloquialisms. I actually know that word, colloquialisms. I even know what it means, and I think I'm using it in the right context. Yeah. Check for more videos this week, y'all, because I'm going home to Texas, and I'll just, take y'all around with me, and we'll just be kicking it in Texas for all my Seattle friends. I'm going to be eating that Whataburger, get my honey butter chicken biscuit, and that will be my life. So I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm hoping you're enjoying your Christmas. I hope you get a lot of gifts, drink a lot, get that eggnog on deck. And I just really hope you're happy, because I'm pretty happy about my life right now. In the comment section below, nobody be really doing this, which irritates me, because I say this in every video. Yet nobody has commented in the comment section below. In the comment section below, let me know what your favorite slang or colloquialism is that you be using, that you just say every kind of day, every sort of day. And yeah, just let me know what you be saying. So yeah, let me know what you be saying in the comment section below. And I will see you guys later. Don't forget to like. What is it? Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.